Guys, welcome to my channel. This is RR10. Today I'm gonna unbox my favorite car, my favorite RC car from Axial. Check this out, guys. It's a RR10 bomber from Axial. It's a 1/10 scale electric 4-wheel drive. It's freaking huge, guys. Check this out, oh. I'm so excited to open this one. Actually, this one is not a brand new. It's a pre-use. I got a friend sold me this one. He got this one only for 6 months. It's okay for me. At least I have a new Axial, and this one is still in good condition. Check this one, guys. Help me unbox this one. I'm so excited to test this one. Ooh, what's that? Huge tire. First, the tactic transmitter. And some goodies here. Okay, check these goodies. Yeah, my good friend gave me free LiPo batteries. It's a 3S LiPo batteries. He's so kind and he gave me 3 pieces. I got free bonus. And some stock motor. Actually, this one's already upgraded for brushless setup. He gave me back the 35 turn motor, brush motor, and some pinion gears. Here, the linkages, sway bar, and all the plastic linkages are here also. And the car itself. It's freaking huge, man. Wow. Important is this one, the manual. Check this one, guys. You see it? Okay, so excited. Oh my God. My good friend gave me also a free FPV camera. He's so kind, guys. Check this one. And also bonuses, aluminum saber. I think this one is servo arm aluminum. All this one are aluminum link, and also C-hubs are aluminum. Also this one, I think is coupler. Also the rear are aluminum also, and the link here are aluminum. Also the rear, I think it's 3 kilos, kinda heavy. Oh my God, this one, oh, aluminum. He also upgrade the gears inside the axle, and the gear in transfer case inside are metal. My good friend also upgrade the servo. It's a JX 300, and he upgrade the motor and ESC to brushless setup. I haven't seen them yet, so next time I will check it out. Look, this one, so huge. Oh, what do you think, guys? What do you think to my new bomber? It's freaking huge. And check this small baby here. The 1/18 scale. Look at the difference. Baby, brother, baby, brother. Okay. And what else? He gave me some silicone shock oil, free. All I need now is the battery and charger. Battery charger. Okay guys, I'll just post the running video test drive for this one. This bomber here is already brushless setup and waterproof. My friend told me he will try this on water, and he gave me also a side mirrors, scoop, printed, and what else? Okay, the tires are still in good condition. Check these tires. It's freaking huge, soft, and still very deep lugs. My friend told me these tires are very good, so if I'm gonna change this one, I will order the same tire, BF Goodrich. Okay guys. Okay, what else? Okay, next time I'll just post the running video. My daughter here is also excited to see this one's running. Bye guys, thank you for watching.